guys, so today's my third day here, and I got here Sunday. Today Tuesday, third day here, and today I already got my day planned. I woke up not early, it was 11 here I think, but that's like 1 o'clock my time. So today I'm going to Freemont Street. If you don't know about Fremont Street, go ahead, go to TikTok, go to YouTube, go to anywhere. If you know anybody from Vegas, you know Fremont Street is lit, so I'm going there. Yesterday I was on the strip, but I was on the end by like Q-Link and Ziplines and all that stuff. I was on that end, but today I'm going to Fremont Street. I'm gonna give Fremont Street about an hour and a half, and we're going in here. I'm about to zip line across Fremont Street. Then I'm going go-kart racing I forgot. Then after go-kart racing, I'm going ATV riding if they're still open, because the man called and said, I don't know. I called the man and they whatever. Then after that, I have a night tour, helicopter tour of the city at 7. So that's my plan. But I'm really hungry. All I ate today was a banana. I went to Starbucks and got me a breakfast sandwich, and it was so nasty. It was so hard. I didn't even want to complain. I just threw it in the trash and left. But I ate me a banana. So I'm hungry. But yesterday I ate 2 burgers. So today I'm not eating burgers. But I ate 2 burgers yesterday and a seafood burrito. Y'all, when I say that burrito was delicioso, like everything in it was raw. Sushi, seafood, but like, I loved it to the T. It was so good. So that's all I'm doing today. I try to be back in the house just before 12. I try to be back in my hotel before 12 because but I try to be back in my hotel before 12. So after my helicopter tour, I'm gonna give me something to eat and I'm coming back home. I really wanna go back and give me some more of that sushi. Y'all, that sushi was delicious. Like, it was so much stuff. I might go back there because it was a cake shop that I seen. I didn't stop and get it because I was like, I don't need no cake, but I ate burgers. I might as well go get it. I'm gonna give me some cake. I'm gonna definitely give him some cake. And I probably go ziplining one more time before I leave because ziplining was so fun. So hopefully, it's ziplining on Fremont Street. So I might go ziplining on Fremont Street. But the ATVs, I really hope we can record while I'm riding the ATVs. I used to love riding dirt bikes and mini motorcycles, so I really think I'm gonna love riding ATVs. I think that's gonna be so fun. It's just, I don't wanna get dirty. Like, it's gonna get in my hair. I'm gonna be so scared. I got sand and stuff everywhere. I really wanna show y'all my view from my room, but you can't see it on camera. But like, the mountains is like right there, and then the city downtown, well, I'm downtown, but like I'm like a little bit back. I'm like 2 blocks from downtown. But like the lights, oh my god, the lights is so pretty. It be so pretty at night. Like you can see all the lights, and then you can see like the edge of the mountain, especially when the sun set. It is so pretty. So I'm really excited. Just pay for that extra. Pay the little extra on your hotel for a view, because it's a vibe. Pay the little extra for a view, and pay the little extra for the leg room on flights. Okay, if it don't say extra leg room, don't get that seat. That seat is not for you. Get the seat that say extra leg room. But I got 2 more days here, so I try not to do too much in one day to tire me out, so I won't want to do nothing the next day. So that's all I'm doing today, and I really hope I come across some great seafood, because after that seafood, oh, I gotta go, y'all. I just ordered me a lift to Freemont Street, and it says your driver will be here in 5 minutes. And the way hotels are set up in Vegas, each hotel has a Uber or Lyft designated spot for the drivers, and mine is at the back of the building, and it takes about 5 minutes to get there. So I'm gonna head there. We're gonna head downstairs and go and get in my Uber, cause yeah, well, it's a Lyft, and I'm always I always make it real cold in the hood, cause when I get back it'll be hot. And make sure I got my room key. Make sure I got my room key. Room key and cash. Room key and cash. I don't know why I be turning the lights out like I gotta pay a light bill, but I always do. I wish y'all could see that view. I'm gonna leave it open. So, now I'm gonna go. And I keep that on the door because I don't want nobody in my room when I go. How you doing? So, yep. Now I'm gonna go.
Number 69, Primary Third.
He's from here. He's not really a worker. It is. So, Lil Dallas got a 16th floor room. Look at that. I'm on the 16th floor, so I wanna. I bet y'all like, we ain't seen nothing but this hotel. And you been here 3 days already. Wait. Yeah. I mean, the hotel is nice. Top floor is an arcade. Bottom floor, casino, and restaurants. Oh, it's restaurants upstairs too. I might actually show y'all my hotel, so I'm gonna do that last night. Oh, coming down. Make your ears pop. And this one I'll be recording too, like music, everywhere I go. A sweatpants set before I leave, and we have made it to the Uber Lyft destination spot, and that took me 4 minutes. And my Uber is 1 minute away. Her name is Tara. She's in a Honda.
One hour later.